What is going on, guys? Now today we are actually going to mount my new tires to the rims that I bought last week or 2 weeks ago. I forgot how long. I think it's been about 2 weeks now. So basically, yes, I ended up buying new tires. I didn't have time to tell you guys because I didn't make a new video since, but I ended up going with the Pirelli P7 All Season Plus. I got them through a friend, so I got them really cheap. I actually didn't know what brand of tires I was getting. I just wanted tires. That's what I ended up with. The snow rating on them isn't great, but luckily snow is almost done in Rhode Island. As I'm saying this, it's actually starting to snow a little bit, so go figure. Yeah, so we gotta drive, go pick up the rims from Sean's shop and the tires, to tire shop, get them mounted, go back to Sean's shop, wheels on, all that good stuff. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and yeah, let's just do it. I also ended up tinting these Parker lights, Vivid Vinyl's headlight and taillight tint. I ended up using it for that. I am eventually gonna do the taillights, but it's just too cold right now to do it, and I'd rather do it in like natural temperature than throwing the heat on, because if I can do it outside when it's sunny and things like that, it might work a little bit better. So go figure, as soon as I say the tires suck in the snow, it starts snowing. I am at Sean's shop. I just put all the wheels in my back seat and in the front seat. I gotta go bring them up the street to this tire shop, and then I have to come back here, get the wheels, put them in my car, bring those to the tire shop. Then they got a mount and balance, which they said it'd take like 2 hours or so because they're about to take lunch. Then I gotta go pick them up, come back here, and when Sean's done cleaning a car, I'm gonna mount the wheels to my car. But yeah, of course, now it just starts snowing and it sucks, but it is what it is. Not even sure if you guys can hear me right now, but I'm upstairs at Sean's shop. I'm just gonna play pool. I did drop the tires off. I dropped the rims off. They're mounting them right now. They guess they had an issue with the tire pressure sensors, saying they couldn't read them. Everything I read online says it will automatically be picked up, so we're gonna see what happens with that. I'm just gonna be playing some pool and trying to kill some time. Sean's down there right now. Let's see if I can get him. Sean's down there. He's putting work in. You need your car detailed, and you are in the area. Wheels and Deals, good place to go. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna be playing pool, trying to kill time, let him do his thing, and I'll keep you guys updated. As you can see, I have my wheels, well, my tires. I got my tires back. The shop that I dropped them off at just told me after having them for a couple hours that they were only able to get one because they're reversal mount and they're too complicated to do. So now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Most stores close at 5, 6 o'clock. I called a different tire shop. They wouldn't be able to do it till tomorrow, and then I took it there, and then they said they can't do it at all unless they were gonna mess up my wheels, which they don't want to do, so I respect them for that. They said Town Fair Tire has the machine, so Town Fair Tire is about 15-20 minutes from me now. I just called them. They said they can get it done before 6 o'clock, which they close at 6. So I'm driving there right now with the tires. I have my friend Trevor behind me with his truck. He has the rims in the truck. There's only 3 of them since they did get one done, and I gotta bring them there, drive back to Bristol, because it's gonna take them a few hours to do it, drive back to Seekonk, and then drive back to Bristol again, and then head back home. So it's a lot of traveling today for these fucking wheels, so I'm hoping they look really good. And you know, today's sucking, so if you guys give this video a thumbs up, it's gonna help. It is 5 o'clock now, so it's been another 2 hours, hour and a half maybe. I'm leaving now to actually go pick the wheels up, and then I gotta come back here, like I said, mount them, and yeah, then they're pretty much all done after that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I have, and hopefully these wheels look good with the black. If not, honestly, I will not keep them. I will end up selling them if I don't like how they look. So it's all gonna depend once I mount them, and if I don't end up liking them, it's gonna suck, because I just spent all day trying to figure out this entire situation. All right, so the wheels are on. I just kind of cleaned them up a bit. I gotta clean my car probably tomorrow after work to see how the wheels actually look on a clean car. But I mean, I like them. Do like the silver a little bit more, but like I said, they're just way too dirty all the time, and they're such a pain in the ass to clean. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new wheels. I might be getting new tires anyways. Like I said, I'll probably just sell these. These ones I still have to clean, but I threw the tire shine on from Adams Polishes, so looks real good. I just have to clean my dirty ass car. But if you guys enjoyed this week's video, and the entire process that it was to get these mounted and balanced and everything like that, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.